Business group I'll explain. As I told, business group is the top of the structure. You will create a called, suppose you are creating Wipro groups. Okay. So Wipro, you can see in electric bulbs that is everywhere they are there. Next is we are creating a ledger. Now I explain na 4C.
Okay.
The 4C is called ledger, right? This business group where we'll create in the Oracle HRMS module. Okay. One time setup, very easy. Ledger, this is the main thing in GL we are doing. Next, legal entity. Legal entity where suppose you are creating a company in India, you would register under Companies Act and do perform some income tax activity, everything will be captured. It's a basic thing. Sometime it is optional. Okay. Creation, this only takes time longer because you have to discuss with the CFOs and company heads, all the department heads to finalize how the chart of account will look like, because here only you will make the entries, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next is operating unit. Operating unit, here only you will, it is like a branches or division. Here only we'll make multiple. Suppose I told Wipro Chennai division branch 1, here only the user will enter for the activities and everything under that. Next, it's inventory organization. It is created in SCM module. Maybe created in HRMS. GL. So this is a one-time setup. After that, you start working in whatever modules. Okay. Next. Okay. This is called multi-org. So everything is done. Stock locators. Okay. You see, this is also supply chain management. See, why means you are the owner of the business group. You can see up to where the stock is located or the individual one. That much ERP is very clear and come to the level. Okay. So here another example. What I told, Tata Group's having multiple business. Okay. Correct. It is having multiple department and all the expense type. These are all the expense type you will mandatorily have. You will have expense, revenue, liability, asset, and one more retained earning. The last year profit has to be come to this year, correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand? Okay. So instead of writing every time software income sales like that, we are having a values. So I give whenever I do practical, so we'll see very slowly. 01, 02, 03, 04 like that. I'll give a value. Okay. So this value, when I type 01 dot 001 dot like that, the entry will come. So how the entry for sales will come for software, I'll tell 01 is software dot. I'm telling the sales, right? Doing the sale 001 dot revenue, right? I doing a sale 2001 dot product. Which product? If it is a software, it is default. It is 0 like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is debit. Now you understand. Tell me the credit. Where is the cash account? The same software. So software is 01 dot
01 dot sales.
Same department sales only. Now you have to pick the cash account. Where is the cash? It is falls in asset, right?
Asset.
It should be 3001 or 2 or something. Okay. So this is how this is called the combination. We'll do it. Okay. So this is the final thing we'll generate, and whatever we give, it is will be reflecting in the description. Okay. Right. Understand? So these are the things we are going to see in the journal setup, journal accrual, invoice, standard, credit memo, debit memo, asset, cash management, and everything we'll see slow and steadily one by one. Okay. And if you see, I'll send this notes so you can read one, go through this. Where is the word? You can see the word file.
Yes.
So here given what is legal entity and all, just go through it, and also the basic Oracle ledger. What is ledger? What is calendar? accounting method. I given some example. Okay.
Okay.
These are all we'll see practicals from tomorrow, right?
All right.
So you understand now, right?